Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this bright, colorful, happy look for you guys considering everything that's going on. I do hope everyone is staying safe out there, you know, keeping that 6 feet distance. Ew. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Let's get into it. So this look is based off the matte book from the crayon case, and we're going to go in with that light blue at the top, right into our crease, up into the brow bone. Then taking that more royal blue, I'm going to blend that into my crease, making sure there are no harsh lines. We don't want that. So I know I'm pointing to both of the purples in the video, but I mostly used just the lighter purple and took that right into my inner corner, blending it out with the blue. But you guys can do whatever you please. You guys can use the dark purple plus the light purple. It's really up to you. Okay, so when I tell y'all the crayon case has the best concealer and brushes to do cut creases with, I am not lying. Look how crisp that cut crease is. Don't be mad at me, y'all, but I did cheat a little bit. I took the Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette and I used the shade Texas Made. Oh shit, that rhymed. But I used the shade Texas Made and I put it right under that blue and stopped it right where the purple started. Hold on, that's upside down. Wait, there we go. So I took that bright yellow and that mustard yellow right onto my lid, blending it with the pink. Y'all, the crayon, guys. Oh my God, look how bright that yellow is. Look at that yellow. So I really did not like how bright that pink was and how far it was coming out. I loved how bright it was on my lid, but I ended up taking this fuchsia shade and this maroon shade back in the matte book and just put it on my outer corner, blending it where that brighter pink was, you know, and just blended that baby out. Oops, I did it again. I'm sorry, but I did take the Watch Me Blush palette from the crayon case and I took the shade Berries just to darken up my outer corner. Yo, oh my God. These two primers, the NYX First Base and the Primes and Poreless from Too Faced. Oh my God, Becky.
So I bought this Maybelline foundation. Is that, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a 24-hour foundation in 312. I usually use Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in 322. So I'm about to see what's up with this. You know, see if it's even my shade. You know, it looks like my shade.
Overall, this foundation blended out really well. I just need to find my shade.
I might have to mix it. Yeah.
So as y'all can see, I did end up going back with my original foundation, my Matte and Poreless Fit Me. And look how flawless my skin look. Somebody can look at this. Almost knocked the damn cup over. Moving on, I used my crayon case highlight concealers to highlight and contour. I used the shades 3 and 4 for my highlight and number 9 for my contour. I used number 4 first so that I could have a little more of a balance under the brighter highlight, which was number 3. And I just blended that bad boy out. So in my opinion, guys, I do feel like this concealer is best when it's blended out with a beauty blender. Some people use brushes, but in my opinion, use a beauty blender. let me tell y'all a little something about this chalk dust from the crayon case. It is crack, okay? Not literal crack, but it is crack for my face. Like, look how soft it makes my skin look. It just sets everything so nicely. No funny. So if anybody knows me, they always know my highlight and contour is on point. So the contour today, I will be using the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt, which is great because it's only, you know, it's compact. You know, you can just throw that thing in your purse, contour in the bathroom real quick, you feel me? This brush is really heaven on earth. I swear to God, y'all. Like, it gives such a smooth finish. Like, this is also from the crayon case. Like, I love me some crayon case. For eyeliner, I use the Sharpie pen from the crayon case once again, because their stuff is really the bomb. This stuff is like ink. Just to give you, you know, a little bit of glam, a little bit of bling bling, I went in with my crayon case eye glue and my NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Silver. Wow, you guys, I just realized my makeup matches my shirt. How corny. For my lashes, I will be using Petty Minx, and I'll be sure to drop that link in the description box for you guys. For eyeliner, I'm using NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Fluorescent. So for my waterline, I just wanted to keep it simple, you know, so I took that same fluorescent pink. See, that eyeliner got me saying fluorescent pink, but what I meant to say was fuchsia. I'm going to take that fuchsia and purple right into my waterline and just blend that bad boy out. So right here, I really heard somebody outside my window. I'm not bugging. But I used my Profusion Highlight and Glow Palette and used that icy blue just to brighten up my inner corner. For my highlight, I am using the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. Oh, look at my brush. But this right here, I think they put some real gold in here because this stuff be blinding me. For lips, you know, I wanted to keep it nude, keep it simple, keep it cute. So I just lined my lips with the NYX Suede Lip Liner in London and just used some clear lip gloss from Knick Knack, New York. Just to brighten up that lip a little bit, I use the Crayon Case Hall Pass Collection Lip Gloss in the shade Private Party. And, you know, here, or in a few seconds, I'm just, you know, making sure nothing gets on my teeth or anything. For my setting spray, I use Black Radiance Dewy Setting Spray. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.